Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome to the final episode of my month-long summer movie themed challenges. So make sure that you watch this video to the very end so you can find out your very last way that you can be involved in this challenge and get a shout out on my channel. And don't worry if you missed some of the episodes, I'm going to have a mega playlist at the end. So with the final movie, I thought we could go out with a bang. The 8th movie in my series is Jaws. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, this movie traumatized me when I was a kid. I wouldn't have a bath for like a month. I'm sure there aren't any sharks around here in the video. I mean, that would be silly. So I have really been enjoying dressing up in the themes of the movies, but I didn't really have anything in my closet that screamed shark attack. My husband did suggest I could pull out some of the plastic severed limbs that I use at Halloween, but I thought, trying to keep it family friendly, so no. So I just kind of went with this blood red shirt, so hopefully that doesn't attract any sharks. You keep hearing that noise in the background, that bottom. Okay, it's just me. But anyway, if you've missed any of my month-long challenges, you can just click on the link above and I will put a special playlist up there for you to enjoy. So if you would like to see the artwork that was inspired by the movie Jaws, let's get started. But before we get started, just a shout out to those who participated in summer rental. So a big thank you so much to KMum14, and Qujin Comic Art, and I will put links to their channels below, so please go check out their videos. So my little sharky friend and I would like you to sit back and try to relax while I recreate this terrifying Jaws poster. And make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so that you can find out how you can have one last chance to join my collaboration. And just a reminder for this June Summer Movie Challenge that your DIY or art project must be in the theme of the movie, and you need to explain in your video how that theme is reflected. You must be subscribed to my channel and mention the collaboration and playlist in your video. You should also link my channel in your description box. Please upload your video at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the day of the movie. You can do one or as many as you like. For people to find your video, you need to put the correct hashtag in your title, and I will list those in the description box below. I also give a shout out to everyone who participates. So here is the lineup. These movies are going to be on Wednesdays and Fridays. So June the 2nd is National Lampoon's Vacation with Chevy Chase. June the 4th is Blue Hawaii with Elvis. June the 9th is The Great Outdoors with John Candy and Dan Aykroyd. June 11th is Grease with Olivia Newton-John and John Travolta. June 16th is Splash with Tom Hanks and Daryl Hannah. June 18th is Point Break with Patrick Swayze and Keanu Reeves. June 23rd is Summer Rental with John Candy. And finally, June 25th with Jaws and Roy Scheider. I hope you join in the summer fun, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.